Which of the following is an equation of a circle in the xy plane with a center 0, 4 and a radius of n.4 thirds 5? Oh, you can tell by the giggle that this is not going to be that much fun, or it's going to be a lot of fun. This is the equation of a circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The h and the k represent the center of your circle. So there's my h, there's my k. Okay, so I've got x minus 0 squared plus y minus 4 squared. That's going to equal r squared. All right, so I don't need that minus 0 part. So usually right around this point, once I clean this up a little bit, I see if I can cut some corners and I can get rid of u and I can get rid of u. But unfortunately, I can't just look at this and be like happy with what I came up with so far. I'm going to have to find the nightmare that is the radius. My radius is going to be the distance between that point and that point. So I am going to use the distance formula. D equals big square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. It doesn't really matter which is which. I'll call you x sub 1, y sub 1. I'll call you x sub 2, y sub 2. So my distance, or in this case my radius, because my distance is my radius, is going to be x sub 2, which I called 4 thirds, minus 0 squared plus y sub 2, which I called 5, minus 4. Ooh, 5 minus 4, I can handle that. Let's simplify a little bit more. I've got 4 thirds minus 0, which is 4 thirds, so I have 4 thirds squared plus 5 minus 4, let me get my abacus out, 1 squared. So you become 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, and 1 squared is 1. But instead of writing out 1, since I want to add these guys, let's turn that 1 into 9 over 9. That gives me 25 over 9 in a square root, which does simplify. But I'm not going to do that. My radius is 25 over 9 inside a square root. If I rewrite that equation out here and write out everything that I'm supposed to, x squared plus y minus 4 squared is going to equal my radius, which I found to be the square root of 25 over 9 squared. The square root and the squareds cancel each other out. So last but not least, my final answer is going to be x squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 25 over 9, because my squared and the square root cancel each other out. There you go. There you go. Woo!